So, we have a Talladega Fiberglass light bar. Big, super duper looking thing. We pre-wired it with these style plugs right here, and found out that when you plug this one into the light, it's too thick, you know, front to back, so you can't put, it's too thick right here, so you can't put the Talladega manufactured plate on with these style lights. So now we're going to have to rewire all the lights individually with these flat style pigtails. And so, reason I'm making this video is to show it to Talladega and say, what the WTF? Can't you manufacture something that is just, you know, slightly thicker so that it actually accommodates a pre-wired wiring harness so that we don't have to wire every pigtail and crimp it individually? Thank you very much, Talladega.